Hey no babes, and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing an unboxing slash review slash swatching on the Saviland nail kit. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do tips and no videos. Like I said, here in this video I will be going ahead and unboxing it and swatching these colors for you guys and showing you guys what they look like. And also, if you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to turn on the bell so that way you get notified to my upload. And also do not forget to check down below in the description for any of my social media as well as any of my latest videos. They will be linked down below as well as throughout this one, so make sure to go check them out. And I'm really excited to be going ahead and unboxing it, so let's get on to unboxing it. And I will be going in with my gold vintage scissors to remove the little plastic. So I will be going ahead and also linking down below this kit if you guys are interested, so make sure to check down below in the description. But this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. I did review some gels like these not that long ago, maybe like a few months ago I want to say, but I did go ahead and get this like neon one, I believe it is. So it is 6 colors for nail art. These are colors, you could combine them. They are 6 colors. The capacity of them is 8 ml, and you could definitely create any type of nail art with these as well as use them any type of way. And also here in the back it does contain any of the social media, so make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And like I said, I will make sure to link down below I will make sure to link it down below, so make sure to go check that out. So here, as you can see, this is what they look like. It does come with 6 colors, and these are the liner gels. And as you can see, these are super nice. So again, it does come with 6, and this is what the 6 look like. And can we please just first talk about the packaging? I love this like silver chrome top. And I also love that you can see the color in the front. As you can see, this is super nice. So in the back it does have like the warning, their website, any cautions, and again, these do contain 8 ml, and also you could obviously soak it out. So this first one, this is what she looks like. This is super pretty. This is like a pink curly color, and I absolutely love it. Here for the second one, it kind of looks like a blue, same packaging, and again, I love that the color is in the front. So this is what the blue looks like. This is a really nice sky blue. Here next we have number 3. This looks like a darker green, and oh no, it's kind of like a bright green. It is super nice. So like again, like I said, these are kind of like more on the bright side, so these are perfect for the summer. These are perfect for also spring. This is super nice. So we have like a neon yellow as well. And then here for number 5, I want to say this is probably like a hot pink, and yep, it is. This is super pretty. So again, this is perfect for the summer to create some nail art. If you guys don't have any type of neons, these are perfect for your collection. And then here we have number 6, which is a really pretty bright orangey tone of red. And let's get on to swatching them on some clear swatch sticks. I will be going ahead and using my lamp as well as with some clear swatch sticks, so let's get on to swatching. First, I am going to go in with number 6, which is this really pretty orangey one, and I'm just going to be going ahead and swatching that on here.
You can hate from outside of the club, you can't even get in. Leg out. Yellow model cheese. Yellow.
So as you can see, this is what this one looks like. It is a really pretty bright orange. I love that. So I will be going ahead and carrying these for 45 seconds underneath my lamp.
Yellow Lamborghini. Yellow top missing.
Next, I will be going ahead and swatching number 5. This is a really pretty like Barbie pink. And I will be going ahead and doing some little nail art with you guys to showcase off the colors here shortly. So I will be going ahead and swatching the rest.
Yeah, that look like the truth. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my 2J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She whacks it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors. Ari Kari, look at me now. Look at me now, oh, I'm getting paper. Look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah. Fresh, oh, little bigger than gorilla, cause I'm feeling every day that can try to be on my dick. Better cuff your chick, if you with it, I can get it, and she accidentally slipping all on my dick. Oops, I said, oh my dick. I ain't really mean to say oh my dick, but since we talking about my dick, all of you here to say hi to it, I'm done.
Hell, Breezy, let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. I'm feeling like I gotta get away, better know that I don't and I won't ever stop, cause you know I gotta win every day. She really wanna pop me, just know that you will never pop me, and I know that I gotta be a little cocky.
You can hate from outside of the club, you can't can't even get in.
So here, as you can see, here we have all 6 colors, and as you can see, they are so pretty. These are some nice neons to have in your collection for the summer. And I will be going ahead and doing some little knit art with you guys and showing you guys how the colors work. And I will be doing that like viral French ombre vertical design with these. So I think I am going to be going ahead and doing the blue and the green. So let's get on to trying it out.
Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that look like the truth. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my 2J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She waxed it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors. Ari Kari, look at me now, look at me now, oh. I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah. Fresh, oh, little bigger than gorilla, cause I'm feeling every day I can try to be on my dick. Better cuff your chick, if you with it, I can get it, and she accidentally slipping all on my dick. Oops, I said, oh my dick. I ain't really mean to say oh my dick, but since we talking about my dick, all of you here to say hi to it, I'm done.
Hell, Breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. Go! She really wanna pop me. Go! Just know that you will never pop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky.
Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that look like the truth. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my 2J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She waxed it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors. Ari Kari, look at me now, look at me now, oh. I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah. Fresh, oh, little bigger than gorilla, cause I'm feeling every day I can try to be on my dick. Better cuff your chick, if you with it, I can get it, and she accidentally slipping all on my dick. Oops, I said, oh my dick. I ain't really mean to say oh my dick, but since we talking about my dick, all of you here to say hi to it, I'm done.
Hell, Breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice rolling when you're doing that thing over there, homie. Let's go! Cause I'm feeling like I'm running and I'm feeling like I gotta get away. Better know that I don't and I won't ever stop. Cause you know I gotta win every day. Go! She really wanna pop me. Go! Just know that you will never pop me. And I know that I gotta be a little cocky.
Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that look like the truth. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my 2J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She waxed it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors. Ari Kari, look at me now, look at me now, oh. I'm getting paper, look at me now, oh, look at me now, yeah. Fresh, oh, little bigger than gorilla, cause I'm feeling every day I can try to be on my dick. Better cuff your chick, if you with it, I can get it, and she accidentally slipping all on.
So as y'all can see, I just did the little thing. So now, before I cure it, I am gonna go around to just make it a cleaner look with the actual liner brush from the actual bottle, because I feel like these always work best. So taking off as much product as I want, but I still have product there, and going ahead and making it look more cleaner.
Leg out. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini, yellow top missing. Yeah, that look like the truth. Hey, I get what you get in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me, I'm on my 2J. If you get what I get, what would you say? She waxed it all off, Mr. Miyagi, and them suicide doors. Ari Kari, look at me now, look at me now, oh. I'm getting paper. Look at me now. Oh, look at me now. Yeah.
So as you can see, this is what it looks like, and I will be carrying it for 45 seconds underneath the lamp. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So I will be going ahead and giving it a glossy finish with a top coat.
Leg out. Yellow model cheese. Yellow bottle sipping. Yellow Lamborghini. Yellow top missing. Yeah, yeah. That look like the truth. Hey, I get
So
what
as you can see, this is what she looks like. I absolutely love the color combo that I chose on it. It is super, super cute. So definitely make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see a more in detail tutorial on how to do the vertical ombre French design. So as you can see, this is what mine looks like, and I have only practiced it a little bit, not too much, so not too much on mine, but this is what she looks like. And again, I did use number 2 and number 3 from this collection, and I love the duo that it made. As you can see here, we do have all 6 colors, as was with the design of the vertical French ombre. I think they're super cute. So here, as you can see, here we have all 6 colors, and here is these 2 in the duo. So definitely make sure to check down below if you guys are interested in this summer collection. I think this is perfect, especially for like right now that this is trending. Like, I feel like if anything, like the brighter colors pop out more, especially like a duo like this. It is super pretty. I love the contrast of it. So make sure to check down below in the description for it, and I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see how I did the design more in detail, and also definitely make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions on the colors. I absolutely love them. I think this is a good variety for this collection, and also I love that they're super pigmented. As you can see, I only did 1 coat on the swatches as well as all the designs, so they are perfect if you guys are interested in them. I think they're super, super nice and pigmented gels, and I love that they come with liners, so that way you could do any type of nail art with them. So I definitely love them. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and opinions on the colors and what you guys think of them if you guys already have some. But I absolutely love this collection of 6. Like I said, I will make sure to link it down below, so make sure to check down below in the description for it. And also do not forget to check out any of my social media, any of my recent videos as well. They will be throughout this one, so make sure to go check them out. And I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up as well, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one.
in 10 years, in 2 days. Ladies love me. I'm on my